Hello and welcome to another GNOME customization video. Having a customized GNOME desktop can be very exciting. With that in mind, today we are going to look at how to customize your GNOME desktop to get this amazing look with this Graphite theme. Stick around till the end of the video to learn how. Before we proceed, take a second to subscribe to this channel. All the materials used in this video will be linked in the description. Also, there is another version of this video with music instead of my voice. Find it here. Now let's get started. Open your browser and head over to this page. You should see this Graphite multicolor mode theme. Scroll down to the description and you will see the installation instructions. We begin by opening this GitHub link in a new tab, and on the GitHub page, scroll down to the requirements. Here we require GTK 3.2 and above, GNOME Themes Extra or GNOME Themes Standard, Murine Engine, SASSC, Telesacco Icons theme, and Graphite wallpaper. Go to the top where we have this green button and download the project zip file. Then open your terminal and install the required packages. I am on Arch Linux, so I'm using Pacman as my package manager. We begin with the GNOME Theme Extra, so type the command as follows and install it. Next is the Murine Engine. Run this command and the package name as indicated over here to install it. And finally, on that list is SASSC. Run this command to install it as well. Now for the Telesacco Icons theme, open the link in a new tab. Copy the link and git clone it as follows. You could also download the zip file as we did earlier with the Graphite theme. Once it is done, type ls to list the files in the current directory. Then cd into the Telesacco Icons directory. Ensure to type the name correctly. And now to install it, just type /install.sh as shown here, and -a to install all color versions. While that is installing, let's get the Graphite wallpaper. Open the link and download any of the images. Go to the file and set it as background wallpaper. Now we go to the Graphite GTK theme zip file that we downloaded earlier. Move this file to the home directory, then we extract it. Go to the extracted folder and open terminal in there. Now let's go back to the original Graphite project page and see which versions of this theme are available for install. There is the rimless and the outlined version, but we want the rimless, so we copy this instruction text right here, beginning with the dot. Paste this on your terminal and run it to install. Once it is done, close everything and open Gnome Tweaks. Under Appearance, set Shell Themes to Graphite Teal Dark Node, Legacy Applications to Graphite Teal Dark Node, and Icons to Telecircle Node Dark. If you have Dash to Dock extension, you can change the position of your dock as well. And now take a moment to see your new desktop look. And there you have it, folks, a customized Gnome Desktop. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.